All right, today we're going to take a quick look at these pond lights. These are underwater lights for your pond or for your aquarium, uh, anything like that that you have water and you want to put these underneath. So they are waterproof. Pretty neat little setup. So I'm going to show you what comes in the box here. And I may have to turn these off. But you can see here that you have three lights, a very generous amount of power cable. So here's where the power plugs into just a regular AC power adapter. Then you have different links, so these kind of piggyback to each other. So linked here, you can untie that and more cable, and then same thing, more cable here. So you get three of these lights, which I'll show you those in just a second. You do get some mounting screws and things like that. So if you want to mount these into something inside of your pond, some wood, structure, whatnot, it does come with a remote. So you get a full remote here, and you can see this is red, green, blue, just different things like that. Flash, strobe, you can do a strobe effect, you can do a fade effect, you can do smooth effect, and then you have all kinds of different colors here as well. So this is all just different color pads, which is pretty neat, which is going to vary from what you see coming through my camera. And then another cool thing about these real quick is they are adjustable, so you can kind of mount them and then adjust them left or right, or if you know, horizontal or whatever, however you have them mounted, you can adjust those different ways. So it does that, comes with the remote instructions, and then comes with the underwater light instructions, which from what I can tell are pretty easy. Just plug them in and turn them on. So I'm actually going to turn off the lights in my studio, and I'm going to switch over to this shot and see if I can, yeah, okay, so that's probably, now once again, these, you can see the kind of the flicker there because these are not studio lights or video lights, they're pond lights. But here's all three of them, and this is pitch black in here, and this is probably about 6 feet away from me, and they are taking up the whole entire 13-foot wall behind me. So and if I adjust them out or whatnot. So pretty bright lights, and I'll just kind of change some colors so we can see, the different color changes here as well. So here's red, green, blue. Well, I can't really see these colors. Maybe that's like an orange color, I think. So anyway, just wanted to show you in different shades of blue and things like that. So you can definitely get creative, and also you can change the brightness here as well a little bit. So let me see if I can get this. Yeah, there you go. So you can see the brightness going down and brightness going up, all from the remote. So it's a set of three, for your yard, for your garden. It is waterproof. It does come with that light, or the remote rather, so you can control it from a distance. So there you go. If you're looking for a set of three pond lights, garden lights, once again, anything that's waterproof. And you can fully submerge these, by the way. So check them out. I've had these for a little bit, just messing with them, and so they're pretty neat for multi-use.